So now let's start our journey and find the Canon M6 Mark II, or maybe I will grab a Canon RP, a full frame, I don't know. Let me show you, this is the Mongkok, as you can see. Few years ago, like 2 years ago, Mongkok, there was like so many tourists, but right now due to the pandemic, it's very hard to find any tourists. Literally you could not walk in the afternoon here, it was super crowded. Before I was thinking to buy the camera from the Broadway, but the prices are quite high. So I think so. This is called Wing Shing 42 Limited. Let's check the price here. Rabia, temperature. Hello. An RP? P. RP. Can yeah. With body only and with the lens.
Body 6980.
6980?
Yeah.
Okay, and lens?
With the lens 9180.
9180?
Yeah.
Do you have the 35 millimeter?
35.
Yeah, ROF. Attention.
35 millimeter, that one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No. Yeah, this one. How much is this one?
This one.
I think buy here. The price is good.
$44.80.
It's 4480. Do you have the lens and the body? The body and this kit lens? No.
No, separate.
Separate. This one is which lens?
24 to 105.
The cheaper one.
The cheaper one, yeah. USM.
USM.
It's sold out.
Sold out.
Yeah.
Rabia, these 3 Canon camera. 90D sold out, only RP and M6. Which one I should buy?
Which one is good for you? What do you think?
RP is good, but Canon M6 is 4K. How good is the video quality? I'm personally liking it. So, Ravi, you liking this camera?
Yeah, I like it, but I saw when you were making the video, it was very close up.
This lens, 105 7.1, 24 millimeter to 105 7.1 is around 1150 US. Too much problem. The sensor stopped working. Yeah, I bought the Panasonic G9 from their city. No warranty, so much
No
problem.
warranty. This one with the warranty, no problem. This one small one. Okay.
So I'm buying the camera from the Wing Shing 42 Limited. This is the second time I'm buying. The first time I bought a Sony A550, a DSLR in 2010 from here. Yes, in 2010 I bought. After 11 years I come back again because they are very professional. They are really very professional. In Hong Kong, when you go to a camera store, customer service is very bad. People do not like, people say, Maya. People say like this, do not play around, do you want to buy or not?
Number one.
Yeah, because nowadays customer service is very bad, but here the customer service is very good. Thanks to the Frankie Lam. So his name is Frankie Lam.
Thank you.
Yeah. So to be honest with you, this is the best shop in Hong Kong. You get a lot of good deal compared to Fortress and Broadway. I mean, they are really professional. You come play around with the camera. No one will say. I mean, I'm enjoying it, to be honest with you.
冇電啦呢個。
Because next time I think I will come and buy RP. I will check the SD card.
哦，okay. For you, free for you.
But thank you very much.
Brand new. They are just
It's okay. Yeah.
try for you first. Try.
Okay. Because this is very similar to M50. I like that one also.
No cut, no cut.
Yeah, I like this one because it's very lightweight. Like I really like to carry lightweight camera. This one I can carry here at the belt, and RP maybe I will buy. Maybe next week I will come. I can carry here RP with a strap like this. RP and M6. So do you have the
買呢個真係我喺度啊！
下次先買個買 RP 個買㗎。你有冇do you have 11 to 22 millimeter lens?
22
Yes.
original.
Your original, no?
Amateur.
Third party also, no
Amateur.
problem.
Amateur.
So normally I like the M6, but there's a problem in M6. You can shoot in 4K video with aperture or shutter. Only you can shoot auto or manual. Like auto and manual, there is no another mode between that. Like that is a very big problem. Like I shoot with Sony and Fuji, shutter priority, aperture priority, program mode, scene mode. You can use 4K, no problem. But this one a little bit like I'm worried. Like I hope so they are going to fix the problem. I know they're very professional. I hope so they're going to fix the problem. I hope so. Like if I shoot in manual, I have to control the shutter, ISO and the aperture. Like it's very hard. Like if I'm walking, talking outside, everything I have to control myself. Manual mode I never use. I never use manual mode. I always use aperture or shutter mode. Yeah.
呢度如果你要擺到呢度錄個嗱 record 嗰陣時候咧，你可以去 adjust 嗰個光圈嗰個快門啊，可以光圈啊 adjust 咁都係。錄緊嗰陣時候都可以做呢樣動作。
俾我睇下。好啊。
錄緊嗰陣時可以做呢個動作。
好啊，明白。XS10.
Which is a 10
Yeah.
with the zoom lens, power zoom lens is 8090.
8090.
Hi.
And, sorry, 8090, and then the another one, the another lens, the good quality one, how much?
18 to 55.
Yeah.
9590.
9590. Body only how much? Body.
Body 唔抵啊！
Like I was very excited to get this camera, but it's much better like get another camera. So 1 year warranty.
1 year warranty. Yeah.
Okay.
呢個貼住咯，嗰條 website。
I will register for the free
入邊
battery.
就話巴谷。
I'm very happy I'm getting the XS10 15 to 45. Later I will looking to buy maybe XE4 for my wife, but no stock, or maybe another Fuji camera. I mean, I really like this camera. It's very small, like very small, and have a very big grip. Like very big grip, to be honest with you. Wow. And the build quality is very nice, very smooth. Okay, sir. So I'm getting the XS10. I'm very happy. 15 to 45 for around 1,000 US dollar. Make sure to come to Wing Ching Photo Limited. I will putting the Facebook and their address in the description box below.
Brand new, no adjust now.
Oh, I really like this camera. Yeah. So like if you come to Hong Kong, you have to get your camera from this shop. I'm very happy. I'm never happy. Like I was getting the M6, but they helped me to decide on this one. Fujifilm XS10. Amazing camera. Okay, sir, done.
Okay.
So I'm very happy, to be honest with you.
How about the filter?
Uh,
Filter.
Filter, I think this one is cheap lens. I don't need.
No need.
Yeah.
Wow.
I will buy the filter for
you
X1.
take the video. Easy to destroy this.
How much is the filter?
So just the day and the language on here.
I will do it later.
You do
Yeah.
it by yourself.
Yeah.
Okay.
No problem.
The
The serial number.
Yeah, correct.
The lens, yeah, and the lens, and this is for the
One installment.
Yeah, installment. Yeah, PLC installment totally here.
Yes, sir.
Original price will show you standard price. Yeah.
Understood. Thank you.
Size.
Here?
你個細個就唔得啦，你譬如你嗰支鏡係77，你可以買個67轉77咯。
Okay.
細個就唔得啦，細個就唔得。
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. I need one plastic bag.
Okay.